Hi, in this video I will show you how to change currency on the PayPal. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, you have to open your browser and you have to search for the paypal.com, and once you will search for it, you have to log into your account and you will see page like this. After that, now you have to follow the step to change the currency on the PayPal. Simply you will see a balance option here, and also you will see a add currency option on the bottom. And if you won't find it here, simply you have to go to the wallets and you will see your total balance here, and just below the total balance you will see add currency. You have to click on the add currency and then select the currency name. Once you will select the currency name, after that click on the save. So in this way you can add a currency on the PayPal. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.